It's your amazing tutor Blessing. Welcome to my channel. This is the last solution to business statistics challenge, where we're expected to calculate the 95th percentile of the mass. Please do well to watch previous videos where we constructed frequency distribution for this data and also calculated the sample mean, median, mode, and standard deviation of these mass. We also used the method of assumed mean to calculate sample mean and standard deviation of these mass. The last video before now also calculated semi-interquartile range of this distribution. Please watch previous videos for better clarity about this challenge. Now we'll be asked to calculate the 95th percentile of the mass. This is the formula for calculating percentile. PK. K here simply means the percentile. In our challenge, we'll be asked to calculate 95th percentile. Our K value will be 95. We also have L1. L1 stands for lower limit of the 95th percentile class times K. We did say K is 95. Summation F over 100 minus cumulative frequency before the percentile class over frequency of the percentile class times class weight. Since we did say our K value is 95, based on the fact that we'll be asked to calculate the 95th percentile of the mass. So our formula changes to this formula will be used to calculate the 95th percentile of the student marks. The formula is L1 being the lower class limit of the 95th percentile class plus 95 times summation F over 100 minus cumulative frequency before the percentile class over frequency of the percentile class times class weight. First thing to do is to identify the 95th percentile class. To identify 95th percentile class, we'll work with these variables here. We have 95 times summation F over 100, which is 95 times summation F, we got 50 here, over 100. 95 times 50 divides 100, 0.5. 95 times 0.5 gives 47.5. So 95th percentile class is that class with cumulative frequency that is equal 47.5 or immediately greater than 47.5. Let's go to our cumulative frequency column now. Let's trace the class that has 47.5. This is 45. 47.5 falls within this class. These are 95th percentile class. Now let's apply this formula to calculate the 95th percentile mass of the students. We have L1. L1 means the lower class limit of the percentile class, which is 91 plus 95 times summation F over 100 will get 47.5 minus cumulative frequency before the 95th percentile class. We locate our cumulative frequency column and trace the one that is before the 95th percentile class, and this is 45 over frequency of the 95th percentile class. The frequency is 5 times class weight. We could get our class weight by subtracting 50 from 58 or 43 from 51. 58 minus 58. Doing the basic simplification here, 91 plus 47.5 minus 45 gives 2.5 over 5 times 8. 91 plus 2.5 divided by 5 gives 0.5 times 8. 91 plus 0.5 times 8 gives 4. So the 95th percentile of the mass is 95. I hope this video is helpful to everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave a comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.